In this video, let us solve the problems of quadratic equation which appear in the question paper September 2020. Subject is mathematics. Since we have solution in this video, it is a must-watch video for SSLC students. If one root of the equation x plus 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 0 is equal to 4, then find the another root of the equation. Definitely it is minus 3. Very easy question. It takes less than a second actually, not a minute also. Find the value of discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0 and hence write the nature of its roots. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Here we have to apply the values. A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 5, C is equal to minus 1. It implies that minus 5 square minus 4 into A means 2 into minus 1. That is equal to 25 plus minus minus plus 4 into 2, 8. That is 33, which is greater than 0. We already know that a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has two distinct real roots if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, two equal real roots if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, no real roots if b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0. Here the condition is this, it is greater than 0, so the given equation has two distinct real roots. Then it is for 3 marks question. The diagonal of the rectangular playground is 60 meter more than the smaller side of the rectangle if the longer side is 30 meter more than the smaller side. Find the sides of the playground. It has internal choice, but let us now do this one. Let the shorter side BC is equal to x meter. Then the diagonal is x plus 60. You can see here. And the longer side is x plus 30. That is AB. In right angle triangle ABC, right angle means Pythagoras should come. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Because of Pythagoras, we have to substitute the respective values. X plus 30 the whole square plus x square is equal to x plus 60 the whole square. By expanding x plus 30 the whole square by using a plus b whole square is equal to this much. X square plus 2ab plus b square plus x square, that is equal to expanding this one, x square plus 2ab plus b square. On simplifying, x and x get cancelled, so x square, it transposes to this side, it becomes minus 120 plus 60 is minus 60. It goes to the left hand side and becomes negative. Minus 3600 plus 900 is equal to minus 2700. That is equal to 0. It is in the standard form. So here we have to use we can factorize also. For quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 60, c is equal to minus 2700. By applying the respective values, instead of b minus 60 plus or minus square root of minus 60 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2700 upon 2 into 1. That is equal to 60. Minus minus becomes positive, plus or minus square root of 3600. Here also negative into negative becomes positive. 4 into 2700 is 10800 upon 2. That is equal to x is equal 60 plus or minus. On adding these two we get 14,400 upon 2. The next step is to find the square root of 14,400, that is 120 upon 2. We have to take only the positive value, that is plus 120 minus plus 60, that is equal to 180 upon 2, that is equal to 90. Why only positive value? It is the two plane figure. It has not, the measurements has not negative value, cannot take the negative value. The shorter side x is 90 meters, longer side this is equal to 120 meter, diagonal is 150 meter. The altitude of the triangle is 6 centimeter more than the base. If its area is 108 centimeter square, then find the base and the height of the triangle. Here let the base of the triangle be x, then height is equal to, it has been given, altitude of the triangle is 6 centimeter longer than its base, so x plus 6. Therefore, the altitude is x plus 6. It is also given that the area of the triangle is 108 centimeter square. We already know that the area of the triangle is half into base into height. Area is 108 centimeter square, that is equal to half into base is x, height is x plus 6. So we can transpose 2 to that side, which becomes 108 into 2, that is equal to, we can multiply these two, x into xx square plus 6x. By writing in the standard form, we get the answer like this. From where this 216, you know very well. Okay, it is in the standard form. We can use the quadratic formula. You already know it. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, c is equal to minus 216, minus of 216. So x is equal to, by applying the respective values, minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 square minus 4 into a is 1, c is minus 216 upon 2 into 1. We can solve it very easily. Minus 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus into minus plus 864 upon 2. Then we have to add these two numbers. We are getting 900, square root of 900 upon 2. Removing the square root, 30 divided by 2, only positive value here also, because it is a triangle, geometrical shape, cannot take the negative value. So plus 30 minus 6 is 24, 24 upon 2, that is equal to 12. So base of the triangle is 12, x means 12. So the altitude of the triangle is x plus 6, that is equal to 18 centimeter.